Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel AZ Education Adda. In this lecture we will discuss one important problem of mathematics. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you if you want to get more important questions, you can visit our website education-adda.com. Link of this website is also available in the description box of the video. So how you can get these questions? See, you need to visit education-adda.com, then go to menu option and select Academics Adda. In Academics Adda, you need to select Math Important Questions. One more thing, all these questions are available in the form of video lectures on our YouTube channel and the playlist is titled as Math Important Questions. Okay friends, so coming back to the given problem, see what is given here. A function is given here fx equal to 5x to the power 4 minus 4x cube minus 26x square minus 20x minus 3. And it is given that c is a 0. Here you can see c equal to minus 1 is a 0 of multiplicity 2. Okay. So we need to rewrite fx in a completely factored form and find the remaining zeros of fx and then sketch the graph of fx. Okay friends, so one by one we will discuss. See, this is a given function fx equal to 5x raised to the power 4 minus 4x cube minus 26x square minus 20x minus 3. And it is given that c equal to minus 1 is a 0 and its multiplicity is 2. So what is the multiplicity 2? See, it tells us that c equal to minus 1 is a 0 which is a repeated root and it is repeated twice. Okay. So x plus 1 equal to 0. This is the root. So we can say that x plus 1 is a factor of fx. And since multiplicity is 2, so power will be 2 here. Okay. So we can write fx as fx equal to x plus 1 raised to the power 2 times gx. So we need to find gx. So gx will be equal to fx divided by x plus 1 raised to the power 2. So fx is given and we can divide fx by x square plus 2x plus 1. So we can find the value of gx as 5x square minus 4x minus 3. Now we need to find the other zeros of the function. Okay. So you can see here it is a quadratic equation. Gx is a quadratic equation, so we can write this gx in the form of factors. So gx can be factored as 5x square. See, this 14x can be written as minus 15x plus x. Okay. And taking 5x as common factor, we will get 5x times x minus 3 plus here you can see 1 is the only common factor. So taking 1 as the common factor, we will get 1 times of x minus 3. So gx can be written as 5x plus 1 into x minus 3. Again here we can take 5 which is coefficient of x as common. So we will get gx equal to 5 times of x plus 1 by 5 into x minus 3. Okay. So what are the roots of fx? So equating this gx, equating the remain, so equating to 0. Okay, equating gx to 0, we can find the other roots as x equal to minus 1 by 5, or when we equate x minus 3 equal to 0, then other root will be x equal to 3. Hence remaining zeros or remaining roots are x equal to minus 1 by 5 and x equal to 3. Okay. Now we have 4 roots and we can see the given function has a maximum power as 4. You can see degree is 4. So 4 roots we have got. And factored form of fx can be written as x plus 1 whole square into gx. And we have obtained gx as 5 times x plus 1 by 5 into x minus 3. Therefore, fx will be equal to 5 times x plus 1 whole square into x plus 1 by 5 into x minus 3. Now we need to plot the graph of fx. So we know the roots of this function. See, this is a graph which can be plotted. See here, repeated root is minus 1, 0. Okay, this one is minus 1, 0. So x equal to minus 1 is the root, and third root is minus 1 by 5. See, this is two roots. Okay, so here you can see it is concave here. Okay, it is just touching and then coming upward. Then another root is minus 1 by 5, so it is intersecting the x-axis, and next root is 3, so here also it is intersecting the x-axis. Okay, and it is tangent here, as minus 1 is the repeated root. Okay friends, so this is the required graph of the function fx. Okay, so in this lecture we have discussed one important problem of mathematics. Okay, thank you.